Mr. People drama kick up on social media, trending drama versus Lorraine and Michelle Bradshaw, guys. Rock and come in. Rock and come in. Make sure you like up the video, people. Me say what a situation, guys. Me say today name festive Wednesday, no people. In a short and nothing at all. After trending drama go up on him page, and talk about things about Michelle Bradshaw and of course Lorraine. You see me? Like up the video, people, and leave when I talk, right? I could talk, man. I could talk, I could have all the reason, people. Guys, Michelle Bradshaw, Lorraine, the on the life couple hours ago, people, a robot trending drama, and I put him in place, and I diss him up in the worst way, people. After trending drama, go for them in the people. Because we know the trending drama change him ways, you know, I kind of move a little bit better now, you know. You see me, me not hear him come out for plank and, you know, him, if the right every time say forgiveness and, you know, him do him think people, but we can't too trust him yet. You see me? We have to have him on the radar and scope him out. But guys, we all know so Lorraine and Michelle Bradshaw talk about Dana on a regular basis. So more time you see trending drama come out and defend Dana and put them in place. You see me? But you know upon the other hand say Laura and Fia mad friend there always talk about Dana. You see me? And now them decide to take on trending drama after what him said about them and put him in place. Them saying if come changing pampas. You know what? Them a say the plank them reject him and them a running upon them. You see me? Them say him not an education. Him need to go look at job and all these things. And I'm telling myself, Jesus, peace. Look at Michelle Bradshaw, look at Lorraine, the two ugliest women on social media in a real life, in a big man thing. Take a look at them. Hmm? Take a look at Michelle Bradshaw, old grandma Michelle Bradshaw, bleach out, scrub face, Laura. Hmm? Why everything at all when you talk about is about Dana? Hmm? So when you think trending drama, I can come out from different more time and address certain situation or bother him. Hmm? Me not pick up female now. Because I not rate him. But him now come out and talk about Dana like how Una talk about Dana. Hmm? Every day at the same drama, at the same phone should you people. The two blind mice. I mean, you not call Bobby Isha name pan it. Big waste man, Bob. Hmm? Him are the next waste man again to narrate around here. Fishini Bob. Eh? So when you come to now and you decide to talk about Dana on a daily basis, 2, 3, 4 hours of your life gone and a waste. For your woman in Florida and a live life. Una call the woman scam and all kind of things and una have a better life. Eh? Because if you have a better life, we won't depend on social media. Why not talk about that if make content? We want to get from that. I mean, understand them people here. Eh? Michelle Bradshaw, Laura, and Dwayne, them come at the same thing, people. Yeah, man. The only thing is that two Dwayne change, but the whole of them are the same thing. The whole of them never like, should I say, Dwayne never like Planka or Dana, but now the things change right about now. And decide, say, yo, I'm changing ways. I don't know if I'm permanent or what. But when we look upon the past, and we realize, say, yo, them people here always a chase of Dana. We can't too busy about them people. Make them do for them, make them angry for them battle. You see me? We can't too busy about them. Make them do for them thing because I ain't idea still. Them never they like Dana. You see me? I know me say never they like Dana, me mean Dwayne. And I know him come to reality and think about up to this day. The rest of them can't realize that Dana not wrong. The rest of them can't realize that the woman not nothing that is gonna get herself in trouble. And every day, the two blind mice them on social media depend on the woman name. You see me? For a reason, people. When you look on things and you see them out of good that I do, you say to yourself, say, boy, oh boy, this person want to be in Dana's shoes. They want to be like Dana. And if them can't be like Dana, they are going to try to damage our reputation. You see me? That's why you say, Lord, draw Michelle Bradshaw on her camp. She call her speaker. You see me? Why you think they mix up on drama regarding T-Girl and Laura and what they bust out? Because no loyalty to them so. No loyalty to them the bunks. You see me? No loyalty to them so. That's how when Dwayne come out and address her, we have to really look at the things and say, yo, you see it? Dwayne attack the truth. But Laura don't like it. You see me? Laura and Michelle Bradshaw don't like it. Why everything It's about Dana. Them not have no more topic to talk about. Them not have America to talk about. Them not have the presidential election that come up. They not have to talk about. Why they must spend so much of them life away span Dana? Me not get them people here. Every year the same thing. Every month, every week are the same thing. What kind of joy and enjoyment is that? What kind of fun is that? What kind of life is that? And that's all trending drama telling you say, leave 19 alone. Stop talking about the woman. Because we now win, now lose, and still call the woman name. You see me? In most cases, trending drama right. But we not going to tell him same right. We not cuss out him clat. You see me? And it's not same a different 99. It's that him a come with the truth to we not like. So we not going to like that. Only too dirty, corrupt and bad man and want to roast the people. I want to not live no life. See me? Nobody not going to attention. Michelle Bradshaw of all person. You can't know she not a man. Because if she can spend so much time on social media and I talk about that now, which attention to fear man? No man no want them. Man reject them. See me? So if training drama will come out and talk for him truth and to make him talk him truth. See me? Make him talk him truth and do him one for the. Because me personally not pick up it because I know me don't like him or don't think people. But if the man come out and speak the facts, yeah man, we have to just leave it as it is. Because them people on social media, them not change. Them not change one bit. Them want to be evil. See me? That's what them choose. Them want to be evil and them want to be dangerous. I mean, it's the reason thing for all them things upon social media. If I saw get social media money and thing, it's better to stop it. You see me? Because social media is not about evil things. You see me? As I wanted to myself, why them people always do this? We're not learning every year are the same thing. Every month are the same thing. What do you get from it? There's no result. There's no outcome. So you need to stop it. When I'm making myself like a blasted idiot. You see me? And if you understand this Laura and Michelle Bradshaw, Dewesha and the old person that come out phone, other people that come out phone come different than other things when them talk on them platforms. You see me? So you need to go sit down and go find something to do and stop talk about. Dana, you see me? Me don't know what Dana do to you for you can have her up so. And talk about the woman. So Michelle Bradshaw, you shall be ashamed of yourself. You shall be ashamed of yourself if you talk about Dana. You see me? Me don't know what I'm to uno. Only think so have a good life, only better think twice. I want to do to people and talk bad about people and now watch phone life. Can better phone life spoil and know what Dana life, what in a Dana life and thing. Because guess what I'm now? Only sister Dana make two ends meet every day. She not call no ask her money to pay her bills. They must pay her bills by itself. Only don't like it. It born no. You see me? You know why them big women up on social media always stay so. Always in a passa. Always in a casa with people. Not happy. Why you don't want to do this? Is it worth it? No. It not worth it. So why are you guys talking about Dana in the most disgraceful way? Everything, every topic, every video, Dana. Una try believe, una try believe, you know. Nobody not believe, you know. Only thing becomes so stale the way they repeat it over and over. Only some like some rotten cabbage and thing. Only if you go find something different on social media to talk about. Until you can talk about anything at all different on social media, then you can talk to trending drama. Right about now, only not go out with nothing at all. Waste of time, waste of energy. You see me? Uno serve the purpose on social media about and waste time. And guess what now? When you feel as if una hurt somebody, una hurt in your own self. Yeah man. Una hurt in your own self. So you can sit down, rest of phone life and talk about Dana and I try make better use of phone life and see what will be the outcome. When you soon become papa, you see me? When you soon have nothing at all for yourself. Yeah. Because you spend so much of the resources and time talking about Dana and I say the woman of this and the woman of that. And we don't have no proof of that. You see me? So guys, bless upon yourself, your people. Bless upon yourself. The rain not tear down. You see me? So, like and share. Let me know what you guys think about what I'm saying. But make Lorraine Michelle Bradshaw, go on one side. You see me? People, I'm out.